Gold against US dollar has started to move slightly down in this week, which has started in the previous week. The previous week, when the price was reaching higher levels and it has reached the peak, the price returned and it has bounced from this great monthly resistance area, which is a confluence of resistance, and it has dropped down around 2016 price level. So this week has started with a small bullish candle where this bullish movement and retrace has continued and reached 2048 price level, where the price had problems like in the past. We can see this is confluence of resistance and also it is a supply zone. The price continued to move down in this week, so the price has broken this support which has held the price in the previous week, and it has continued to move down. We can see that on a Thursday the price has closed, which was a signal that the price could continue to move down, and it has confirmed it on a Friday. Friday has reached this small uptrend trend line, which is now acting as a support, but as it looks right now, we can see also this is a great support on a daily time frame. This area here, which is 2005, is a critical level for the price, and we can see this is some kind of small confluence of a demand zone where the support is. So let's see how this looks on a weekly time frame. After the strong bullish move, we can see that after also small kind of a breakout around 2007 area, the price has continued to move up, but then it has returned back down. We can see that the price has formed also some kind of a bearish pin bar that is suggesting that the price could return down. I will put here a label, just a minute, visible on a weekly. Pin bar, okay. So it is around resistance area, which is a strong signal when the price is forming some kind of a pin bar, which is currently a bearish one. Let's see on a monthly time how this looks. After the strong move, and we can see that the price has started to move from 1615 area and it has reached 2072. Now the price is bouncing from this strong resistance area this month, and it has returned back down. We will see what will happen in this month, but as it looks right now, after the previous month has been broken, we need to have some kind of confirmation right now this month, so the price stays above. It is very bad to confirm what will happen in this month, because we can see we have 2 weeks, but on a small time frames, weekly and daily, we will see what are the critical levels for the price for this month. So let's make some kind of multi-time frame analysis starting from the monthly time frame. As it looks right now, we can see that this is the critical level. It is 1988. This is the price level that is critical on a monthly time frame. If the price goes below that and closes below 1969, which is 1970, it is an area as critical for the monthly time frame. If the price goes below this price level, it is also below 1979 support line, it will mean that the price could not confirm this breakout on monthly time frame, and we will see the price heading down. But before that happens, we have 2 more weeks, so we will see how this looks on a weekly time frame. But if the price stays above about 1988 price level and also 1970, this will mean that the bulls have enough strength to push the price against higher on higher levels. But this small sell-off around this area here is still active, so we will see what will happen in the following weeks. Let's see on a weekly time frame how this looks. After forming a bearish pin bar, we can expect that the price will continue to move down. The first one, which is a critical level, is 2007 price level, and the next one where the price will stop is this one here, 1994, because we can see that this price had problems in the past, which is also a critical level here, and also we can see this candle here. And the next one after that is this one, it is 1990 price level, which is very critical. We can see on several weeks before that the price had problems around this area. It is a confluence of resistance and support. So for the next week, if the price goes down around this area here, which is also very critical, around 2000 price level, this will mean this is the critical for the buyers. If the price goes below that, the next one where we can expect the price to reach it is 1990. If the price finds support and returns back up above 2016 price level, we will see the price reaching higher levels, which are the new one levels for the price, because this was also the top of the price for this gold. Let's see on the daily time frame which are critical levels. We can see that the price is dropping. The price has stopped around 2000 price level, and the next one where we need to see the price closing the day, it is 2004 price level. If the price on the daily time frame closes below this one, we can expect that the price will continue to move down and reach lower level, which will be 1990. And this is the price level. We can see in the past it is very critical for the price when the price is heading down. Okay, so it is a very strong area and very strong support price level, and we could expect to reach this 1979 supply zone. We can see that the lowest level for this demand zone, it is around 1970, which is also a critical level on the monthly time frame and also on a weekly time frame. So if the price goes below this area, it is 2000. The next one where the price should stay is 1990. If the price goes below that, it will mean that the weekly support has been broken, and the next one that should hold the price is this area here, which is a demand zone. And if the price goes below 1.270, it will mean that the price has broken also a monthly support. So for the next week, I'm expecting the price to make a move. If the price goes below this area, it is 2000, and it closed the daily candle below that, I will expect that the price will drop down to 1.990. But if the price stays here above 2000 price level and continues to move up, the next level that the price needs to close the daily is 2020. If the price closes above, this will mean that buyers had found strength and they will push the price on higher levels, where the next level I am expecting is 2034 price level. And if the price goes above that, the next one where the price will stop is, first one is 2040, and the final one that could be reached with the wicks is this supply area around 2048. So I'm expecting and I'm waiting for the next week how the Monday, which is usually the day that is forming the trend for the rest of the week, how it will react and how it will close. So I will see how this happens, and it will determine the future days in this following week. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.